So good morning everyone. So again we are back here. Continue our topic division algorithm for polynomials. That day in my previous video, some students are facing the problems for the division to polynomials. So it's not much hard. Only you go to the stepwise, then you got the answer. Okay. So here to this we start exercise 2.3 as question of first question. The polynomials of x is given x cube minus 3x square plus 5x minus 3 and g of x given x square minus 2. So here we divide this equation, my polynomial equation, by this polynomials. Okay. So first write here s cube minus 3s square plus 5x minus 3 and divide by s square minus 2. So s square minus 2 is the divisor and this is the dividend. Okay. So divisor s square minus 2 multiply which term, then you got this first term. Which first term? S cube we want. S cube होना चाहिए. So s square minus 2 is multiplied by x. So minus 2x, x into x square, s cube. We got s cube. Multiply by x cube minus 2x. So here we write plus 0x. Because 0x square is not given. I mean x square value is not given. So you write plus 0x square and minus 2x. Now minus. So this here plus change into minus, plus change into minus, and minus change into plus. Okay. So s cube minus s cube cut. Minus 3s square minus 0s square. So answer is minus 3s square. 5 plus 2 plus 7x minus 3. Now s square minus 2 multiply with which term, then you got to minus 3s square. हमको ये आना चाहिए. Our first term is minus 3s square. So s square minus 2 is multiplied by minus 3 because we want minus 3s square. So minus plus 3 to the 6 minus 3s square minus 3. So minus 3s square plus 6 and here write plus 0x. Minus sign into plus and plus sign into minus and plus sign into minus here. We change the sign also, okay? Because subtractions all the down equation sign should be changed. So minus 3s square plus 3s square is cut. 7x minus 0x. So answer is 7x and minus 3 minus 6 is minus 9. This is our remainder. Why is remainder? Because s square and 7x. See the first term. This is the this is greater than to this 7x because as see the power. So this is q square and this is 1. So this is less than to this equation. We already said if remainder is less than to this equation means by divisor. So we cannot divide more. ठीक है, ये less than हो गया divisor से, so we stop here. So our question is x minus 3 and remainder is 7x minus 9. Now we check our answer is correct or wrong. So verify our answer. P of x is equal to g of x into q of x plus r of x, remainder of x. Okay. So p of x is already given at its side s cube minus 3s square plus 5x minus 3 and g of x is given s square minus 2 into q of x is given x minus 3 cube, and remainder is plus 7x minus 9. Now we solve RHS side and see this RHS is equivalent to LHS or not. So s square is multiplied to s minus 3 minus 2 is multiplied to s minus 3 and plus 7x minus 9. So s cube minus 3x square minus 2x minus minus plus 3 to the 6 and plus 7x minus 9. Now see the right terms, s cube minus 3x square minus 2 plus 7x plus 5x, correct, and plus 6 minus 9 minus 3. So our LHS is equal to RHS, so means our Q and R is correct. Okay. So again we continue here by the second question of exercise 2.3. Here P of s is given as h of 4 minus 3s square plus 4s plus 5, and g of s is given s square plus 1 minus x. So x is to the power 4 minus 3s square plus 4x plus 5. We divide by, so you first you arrange this one, okay? Arrange this, how you arrange plus s is to the power 4 and minus 3s square. So between this cube is not given, s cube is not given according to order wise. So we write here 0s cube minus 3s square plus 4x plus 5 and divide by s square, arrange this one, minus x plus 1. So s square minus x plus 1, this equation multiplied by which term, then we got this first equation s raised to the 4. So we multiply by s square plus s square minus s cube and s square and s raised to the 4. Okay, so you write to s raised to the 4 minus s cube and plus s square. Minus sign, minus here, plus into minus, plus into minus, sign will change. Now this s raised to 4, x raised to 4 cancel, 0s cube and minus plus 1s cube, so answer is s cube. Minus 3 and minus 1, so it is minus 4s square and plus 4x plus 5. So now first term is s raised to power cube. So multiply s square minus x plus 1 multiplied by s square. So plus s square minus x cube and x multiply by x, multiply by x square and x cube. First term is s square, second is plus x. So s cube minus s square and plus x minus here plus, minus change into plus change into minus. So cancel 4 minus 4 plus 1, so minus 3 s square, 4x minus 1, so plus 3x and plus 5. Now first term is minus 3s square, again it is more than 2 our divisor, so again we multiply s square minus x plus 1 multiply by minus 3, because we want minus 3x square. So minus 3, minus minus plus 3x minus 3x square minus 3 minus 3x square plus 3x minus 3 minus sign, minus change into plus, plus sign into minus, minus change into plus, cancel, this also cancel, 5 plus 3, 8. So now it's left, only remainder is 8. So our question is x square plus x minus 3 and remainder is 8 for this one. So dear students, we see here, so question number second, exercise 2.3, check whether the first polynomial is a factor of the second polynomial by dividing. Okay, means this polynomial, first polynomial, is a factor of the second polynomial or not by dividing. Okay, so how you check? When this polynomial we consider p of x and this polynomial we consider g of x. So if this polynomial divide by this polynomial and answer remainder is 0, then it is a factor, otherwise no. So solution, first, so p of x is given 2 t raised to power 4 plus 3t square 3t cube minus 2t square minus 9t minus 12. Sorry, and g of x is given t square minus 3, t square minus 3. So 2t raised to power 4 plus 3t cube minus 2t square minus 9t minus 12. It was divided by t square minus 3. So t square minus 3, t square minus 3 divided by which term? That we got t 2t raised to power 4. So t square minus 3 is multiplied by 2t square. So minus 3 to the 6 t square, 2 under 2, 2t raised to power 4. We got 2t raised to power 4 minus plus 0t cube, because after ratio 4 is square is here, and minus 6t square. Minus, this is to minus, plus change into minus, plus change into minus, and minus change into plus. So now 3 plus means 3 minus 0. So answer is 3t cube minus 2 and plus 6. Plus 6 minus 2 is plus 4 t square minus 9t and minus 12. Again first term is 3t cube. So again you multiply 3 square minus 3 which term, then we got 3t cube. So t square minus 3 multiplied by 3t minus 3 is 9t, 3t cube. We got. So 2t square you write here and plus 3t. So 3t cube minus 9t. And here we write plus 0 t square. So minus sign, here minus, here plus. Cancel. 3t cube minus 3t cube, cancel. Minus 9 plus 9t, cancel. So 4 minus 0, we left 4t square and minus 12. Now we want 4. So t square minus 3 multiplied by 4. Then minus 4 3s are 12 and 4t square. What? Plus 4. So 4t square minus 12. Cancel. So q is 2t square plus 3t plus 4. And remainder is 4t square minus 12. So remainder is 0. So that means the first part is t square, right? Therefore, thus t square minus 3 is a factor of 2t raised to the power 4 plus 3t cube minus 2t square minus 9t minus 12. Okay? Now we solve the next question, question number second. So P of S of given this question is 3x raised to the power 4 plus 5s cube minus 7s square plus 2x plus 2. And g of x is given s square plus 3x plus 1. So 3x raised to the power 4 plus 5s cube minus 7s square plus 2x plus 2 divided by s square plus 3x plus 1. So we want first term s square plus 3x plus 1 given. Multiply which term that we want 3, we got 3s raised to the power 4. So multiply by 3. Multiply 3 x raised to the power 2. So plus 3s square plus 9s square and 3s raised to the power 4. Multiply by 3s square, 3s raised to the power 4 plus 9s cube, this is cube, 9s cube and plus 3s square. Minus, this is minus here, plus into minus, plus change into minus, plus change into minus. Right? 5 minus 9 minus 4s cube minus 7 minus 3 minus 10s square and plus 2x plus 2. Now s square plus 3s plus 1, again multiply which term, then we got minus 4s cube. Plus 3x minus plus 1, sorry, plus 1. Multiply we want minus 4s cube. So multiply by minus 4x. So minus 4x minus 4x minus 4 into minus 3 minus 12 x and minus 4 x raised to power cube. We got minus 4x cube minus 12x this is square and minus 4x minus into plus into minus into plus into plus into plus cut minus 10 plus 12 2x square 2 plus 4 plus 6x and plus 2. Now again x square plus 3x plus 1 multiplied by 2. So 2 1 is 2 plus 2 3 is 6x plus 2x square. 4x plus 2. So 2x square plus 6x plus 2. Cancel. Minus sign, minus, cancel. Huh? So the answer is 0. Remainder is 0. So question is 3x square minus 4x plus 2 and remainder is 0. Please copy this one, okay? So good morning everyone. So again we are back here continue our topic division algorithm for polynomials. That day in my previous video some students have faced the problems for the division to polynomials. So it's not much hard, only you go to the step wise then you got the answer. Okay, so here to this we start exercise 2.3 as question of first question. The polynomials of x is given x cube minus 3x square plus 5x minus 3 and g of x given x square minus 2. So here we divide this equation, polynomial equation by this polynomials. Okay, so first write here s cube minus 3s square plus 5x minus 3 and divide by s square minus 2. So s square minus 2 is the divisor and this is the dividend. Okay, so divisor s square minus 2 multiply which term, then you got this first term. Which first term? S cube we want. S cube होना चाहिए. So s square minus 2 is multiplied by x. So minus 2x, x into x square, s cube. We got s cube. Multiply by x cube minus 2x. So here we write plus 0x. Your 0x square is not given. I mean x square value is not given. So you write plus 0x square and minus 2x. Now minus. So this here plus change into minus, plus change into minus, and minus change into plus. Okay. So s cube minus s cube cut. Minus 3s square minus 0s square. So answer is minus 3s square. 5 plus 2 plus 7x minus 3. Now s square minus 2 multiply with which term, then you got to minus 3s square. हमको ये आना चाहिए. Our first term is minus 3s square. So s square minus 2 is multiplied by minus 3 because we want minus 3s square. So minus plus 3 to the 6 minus 3s square minus 3. So minus 3s square plus 6 and here write plus 0x. minus minus sign into plus, and plus sign into minus, and plus sign into minus here. We change the sign also, okay? Because subtractions all the down equation signs will be changed. So minus 3x square plus 3x square is cut. 7x minus 0x. So answer is 7x. And minus 3 minus 6 is minus 9. This is our remainder. Why is remainder? Because x square and 7x. See the first term. This is the this is greater than to this 7x, because as see the power. So this is q square and this is 1. So this is less than to this equation. We already said if remainder is less than to this equation, means by divisor, so we cannot divide more. ठीक है, ये less than हो गया divisor से, so we stop here. So our question is x minus 3 and remainder is 7x minus 9. Now we check our answer is correct or wrong. So verify our answer. P of x is equal to g of x into q of x plus r of x, remainder of x. Okay. So P of x is already given at its side s cube minus 3s square plus 5x minus 3, and g of x is given s square minus 2 into q of x is given x minus 3 q, and remainder is plus 7x minus 9. Now we solve RHS side and see this RHS is equivalent to LHS or not. So s square is multiplied to s minus 3 minus 2 is multiplied to s minus 3 and plus 7x minus 9. So s cube minus 3s square minus 2x minus minus plus 3 to the 6 and plus 7x minus 9. Now see the right terms, s cube minus 3s square minus 2 plus 7x plus 5x, correct, and plus 6 minus 9 minus 3. So our LHS is equal to RHS. So means our Q and R is correct. Okay. So again we continue here by the second question of exercise 2.3. Here P of s is given as h of 4 minus 3s square plus 4s plus 5, and g of s is given s square plus 1 minus x. So x h to the power 4 minus 3s square plus 4x plus 5. We divide by, so you first we arrange this one, okay? Arrange this, how you arrange plus s h to the power 4 and minus 3s square. So between this cube is not given, s cube is not given according to order wise. So we write here 0s cube minus 3s square plus 4x plus 5 and divide by s square, arrange this one, minus x plus 1. So s square minus x plus 1, this equation multiplied by which term, then we got this first equation s to the power 4. So we multiply by s square plus s square minus s cube and s square and s to the power 4. Okay, so you write to s to the power 4 minus s cube and plus s square minus sign Minus here, plus into minus, plus into minus. Sign will change. Now this s to 4, x to 4 cancel. 0 s cube and minus plus 1 s cube. So answer is s cube. Minus 3 and minus 1. So it is minus 4s square. And plus 4x plus 5. So now first term is s to power cube. So multiply s square minus x plus 1 multiplied by s square. So plus x square minus x cube and x multiply by x, multiply by x square and x cube. First term is s square, second is plus x. So s cube minus x square and plus x. Minus, here plus, minus change into plus change into minus. So cancel 4 minus 4 plus 1. So minus 3 s square. 4x minus 1. So plus 3x and plus 5. Now first term is minus 3s square. Again it is more than 2 our divisor. So again we multiply s square minus x plus 1 multiply by minus 3. Because we want minus 3s square. So minus 3 minus plus 3x minus 3x square minus 3 minus 3s square plus 3x minus 3 minus sign, minus change into plus sign into minus change into plus. Cancel. This also cancel. 5 plus 3, 8. So now it's left only remainder is 8. So our question is s square plus x minus 3 and remainder is 8 for this one. So dear students, we see here, so question number second, exercise 2.3, check whether the first polynomial is a factor of the second polynomial by dividing. Okay, means this polynomial, first polynomial, is a factor of the second polynomial or not by dividing. Okay, so how you check? When this polynomial we consider p of x and this polynomial we consider g of x. So if this polynomial divided by this polynomial and answer remainder is 0, then it is a factor, otherwise no. So solution, first, so p of x is given 2 t raised to power 4 plus 3t square 3t cube minus 2t square minus 9t minus 12. Sorry, and g of x is given t square minus 3. T square minus 3. So 2t raised to power 4 plus 3t cube minus 2t square minus 9t minus 12. It was divided by t square minus 3. So t square minus 3, t square minus 3 divided by which term, that we got t 2t raised to the power 4. So t square minus 3 is multiplied by 2t square. So minus 3 to the 6 t square, 2 under 2, 2t raised to the power 4. We got 2t raised to the power 4 minus plus 0t cube, because after ratio 4 is square is here, and minus 6t square. Minus, this is to minus, plus n into minus, plus n into minus, and minus n into plus. So now 3 plus means 3 minus 0. So answer is 3t cube minus 2 and plus 6. Plus 6 minus 2 is plus 4 t square minus 9t and minus 12. Again first term is 3t cube. So again you multiply 3 square minus 3 which term, then we got 3t cube. So t square minus 3 multiplied by 3t minus 3 is 9t, 3t cube. We got. So 2t square you write here and plus 3t. So 3t cube minus 9t. And here we write plus 0 t square. Minus sign. Here minus, here plus. Cancel. 3t cube minus 3t cube. Cancel. Minus 9 plus 9t. Cancel. So 4 minus 0, we left 4t square and minus 12. Now we want 4. So t square minus 3 multiplied by 4. Then minus 4 3s are 12 and 4t square. What? Plus 4. So 4t square minus 12. Cancel. So q is 2t square plus 3t plus 4, and remainder is 4t square minus 12. So remainder is 0. So that is the first part is t square, right? Therefore thus t square minus 3 is a factor of 2t raised to the power 4 plus 3t cube minus 2t square minus 9t minus 12. Okay? Now we solve the next question, question number 2. So P of S of given this question is 3x raised to the power 4 plus 5s cube minus 7s square plus 2x plus 2, and g of x is given s square plus 3x plus 1. So 3x raised to the power 4 plus 5s cube minus 7s square plus 2x plus 2 divided by s square plus 3x plus 1. So we want first term s square plus 3s plus 1 given. Multiply which term that we want 3, we got 3s to the power 4. So multiply by 3. Multiply 3 x to the power 2. So plus 3s square plus 9s square and 3s to the power 4. Multiply by 3s square, 3s to the power 4 plus 9s cube, this is cube, 9s cube and plus 3s square minus. This is minus here, plus into minus, plus change into minus, plus change into minus. Right? 5 minus 9 minus 4s cube minus 7 minus 3 minus 10s square and plus 2x plus 2. Now s square plus 3s plus 1, again multiply which term, then we got minus 4s cube. Plus 3x minus plus 1, sorry, plus 1. Multiply we want minus 4s cube. So multiply by minus 4x. So minus 4x minus 4x minus 4 into minus 3 minus 12x and minus 4 x to the power cube. We got minus 4x cube minus 12x, this is square, and minus 4x minus into plus, plus into minus into plus, minus into plus, minus into plus. Cut. Minus 10 plus 12, 2x square, 2 plus 4 plus 6x and plus 2. Now again s square plus 3x plus 1 multiplied by 2. So 2 1 is 2 plus 2 3 is 6x plus 2x square. 4x plus 2. So 2x square plus 6x plus 2. Cancel. Minus sign, minus, minus, cancel. So the answer is 0. Remainder is 0. So question is 3s square minus 4s plus 2 and remainder is 0. Please copy this one, okay?